Good afternoon, everyone. Jay Scalero here. Well, today I screwed up and I cracked some more glass on my TFV8 Big Baby Beast tank. So, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the glass. So, first of all, you're going to want to try not to cut yourself because it is pretty sharp. So if you can, try to get all the pieces out before you even take it off. Like that. So, you're going to screw the base off. Most likely the coil is going to come off with it. And what I like to do is take a Q-tip, make sure you get in there and get all that glass out. Because when you put the new one in, it's not going to go in flush if it has glass still in there. So do really good. Try and clean all that out. Use a tissue if you have to wipe all the, I'm sure you're going to have juice in there. So hopefully when you cracked it, you didn't just fill it up like I did, because I just lost a good amount of juice. So anyways, and this gives you a good time to really get in there and be able to clean it out, because believe it or not, these things get very dirty. Very, very dirty. So give it a good clean. Same with the base. And get in there. Clean it all out. Make sure all the glass is out. You know what? Actually take the coil right out because I can feel glass in there still. So once again, Q-tip and a napkin. Alright. So my coil's still good. So I'm going to reuse that. Alright, so I'm going to screw my coil back in the base here. Nice, nice. Alright. After you get this all nice and cleaned up, you're going to take your replacement glass, which you should have in your Smock G150 kit. They give you an extra glass. If not, you could also go on eBay and order the Pyrex glass tubes, 3-piece kit. I think I paid $8 for these. eBay's pretty cheap for those. So, grab your piece. You're gonna hear it crunching in. You want to make sure it's nice and flush. If there's any gap, your juice is gonna flow out of that. Okay, good. Just like that. Take your base with your coil in it. Now if you're putting a new coil in this as you're doing this, what I like to do is I like to prime the coil a little more than having the juice flow into it. So I take the juice and I actually put a little bit of juice right on the coil there so it soaks in. So there you go. I'm going to screw this right back on, and if you put it on correctly, you'll look, it'll be nice and flush and no air will get out. I recommend using vape bands for these because any little fall could potentially crack this. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. If you have any comments or concerns, please leave them in the comments below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more. Thank you very much. Have a great day.